there, welcome to today's Serendipity snippet all about how to do the stem stitch on your needlepoint canvas. First thing you need to do is bring your needle and thread to the front of the canvas where you want to begin your stem stitch. Now when you're working a stem stitch, you're going to want to hold your thread down to the bottom. So you bring your needle and thread to the front, then take the needle back to the back, 2 threads over. And this is going to work a pretty tight stem stitch or a pretty close stem stitch. Don't let the thread go all the way through. Bring your needle back to the front in that space between those 2 threads. Then you can pull snug. All right, keeping your thread in the down position, go over 1 canvas thread from where you just came back up. Again, leave a loop, then come back up in between. Continue to work across the row in the same manner until you have as many stitches in place as you need to cover the space you're trying to cover. Thanks for joining me today and have a great rest of your day.